In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook number. After creating your Facebook account, later you want to change your Facebook number, but you don't know how. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick guide on how to change or update your Facebook number. So make sure to stay to the end of this video to see the entire steps. On your Facebook home feed, on the top right corner, proceed to click on your profile icon. Then you need to scroll down till you locate settings and privacy. Then you have to proceed to click on settings. On this interface, you have to scroll down till you locate audience and visibility. Under audience and visibility, continue to click on profile details. Beside contact info, proceed to click on edit. So this will give you the ability to edit your current phone number. So on this interface, you can proceed to click add another phone number here, or you can manage your contact info. Basically, you can use your contact info to also log in into your Facebook account. So make sure any number that you are coming to add is a number that you can either make it your primary contact to log in or your secondary contact. So make sure to do the necessary changes here. So you can add another phone number here, or you can manage your contact info by making one your primary contact and the other a secondary contact. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.